students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at home, staying home safely, saving himself with corona. Okay, so welcome to my online class, that is AST Educational Point. Your teacher, your computer and GK teacher of LPM Public School, situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Okay. So before that, we have already learned about some topics in previous video, that about the animal habitats, wildcats, wildlife protections. Okay. About this topic we have already studied in previous video. Today I am going to explain you about the fourth topic, that is birds. So today we will study about the birds, little bit take the knowledge about birds. Okay, you know what is a bird? A bird is a creature with feathers and wings. A bird is a creature with feathers and wings. There are different species of birds. There are different species of birds. They have a beak, they have no teeth. Birds can be found all over the world. The birds can be found all over the world. Okay, all birds are vertebrates. Birds are vertebrates. It means animals with backbones. Animals with backbones. Most birds can fly using powerful muscles. Most birds can fly using powerful muscles. Okay? To flap their wings. With the help of powerful muscles, the birds were flapping their wings for flying. But a few bird species do not have strong enough wings. But few birds species do not have strong enough wings to fly, and so these birds are flightless. And like these birds, those birds doesn't have strong enough wings to fly are called flightless birds. Okay, see here is some quiz questions are there. We will solve these questions. Okay, first is, see here, write the correct answer of the following questions. First one is, which is the largest bird in the world? Which is the largest bird in the world? Anyone know? Yes, the largest bird is, yes, ostrich. The ostrich is the largest bird in the world. The spelling of ostrich is OSTRICH. Ostrich. You know, the ostrich the common ostrich or simply ostrich is a species of large flightless bird. Okay, the ostrich bird is a large flightless bird who is native to certain a large area of Africa. It is found in the large areas of Africa. It is one of two extant species of ostrich, the only living members of the genus Tuthio in the related orders of habitats. Ostriches are mostly found in the large areas of Africa, and it is a flightless bird. Come to the next question, that is second one. Which is the largest bird in the world? Which is the largest bird in the world? Anyone? Which is the largest bird in the world? Kiwi birds is the, where is the kiwi birds found? Where is the kiwi birds found? Kiwi birds are a national treasure. Second question is what? Where is the kiwi birds found? Kiwi birds are found in New Zealand. Kiwi birds are found in New Zealand. Kiwi birds are a national treasure. Kiwi birds are a national treasure. The kiwi birds is also a flightless nocturnal birds. It is also a kiwi is also a flightless nocturnal bird. Can only found in New Zealand. It can only found in New Zealand and are such a national icon that the term kiwi has even become the nickname of the people of these countries. The nickname of the people of these countries means New Zealand countries. Okay, now come to the third one. Third, that is, what is the national bird of India called? What is the national bird of India called? I think each and everyone know the name of national bird of India. Yeah, the national bird is what? Peacock. Peacock. Spelling Peacock. Peacock. The Indian peacock, that Pavo cristaceus, the national bird of India, is a colorful swan-sized bird. Peacock is a colorful and swan-sized bird with a fan-shaped crest of feathers, a white patches under the eye, and a long slender neck. Peacock, how is peacock look like? Peacock is the national bird of India. Is a very colorful swan-sized bird with a fan-shaped crest of feathers, a white patch under the eye, and a long slender neck. Now come to the question number 4. Question number 4. Which is the only bird that can fly backward? Which is the only bird that can fly backward? See here. Hummingbirds. Which bird? Hummingbirds. The spelling HUMMINGBIRDS. Hummingbirds. I repeat again. HUMMING hummingbirds. Hummingbirds. So I will explain a little bit more about the hummingbird. The design of hummingbird's wing differs from most other types of birds. The design of hummingbird's wings are different from most other types of birds. Hummingbirds have a unique ball. Hummingbirds have a unique ball and socket joint. Listen to me carefully. Hummingbirds have a unique ball and socket joint at the shoulder that allows the bird to rotate its wings. I repeat again. Hummingbirds have a unique ball and socket joint at the shoulder that allows the bird to rotate its wings 180 degrees in all directions. It allows the bird to rotate its wings 180 degrees in all directions. How many degrees? 180 degrees in all directions. Okay, then after that, come to the next one, fifth one. See here, that is, name the bird that migrates from the North Pole to the South Pole and back. Name the birds that migrate from the North Pole to the South Pole and back. Now you guess? This is Arctic tern. What the name of that bird? Arctic tern. ARCTIC. Arctic TERN. Tern. Arctic tern. Arctic tern is the bird that migrates from the North Pole to the South Pole and back. Arctic tern is the bird that migrates from the North Pole to the South Pole and back. Arctic terns may migrate further than only any other birds. Okay, Arctic terns may migrate farther than any other birds. So, Arctic tern is the bird that migrates from the North Pole to the South Pole and back. After that, come to the question number 6. Question number 6. Owl can be found on every continent except one. Which one? I repeat the question again. Owls can be found on every continent except one. Which one? Can you guess? Yes, it is. Owl is found in each and every continent except one. Except one continent, owls can found in all the continents except one. What is that particular continent where the owls are not found in? Yes, it is Antarctica. It is Antarctica. The spelling of Antarctica is Antarctica. Antarctica. I repeat the spelling. Antarctica. Antarctica is the continent where the owl cannot be found. See here, why it is not found in Antarctica space? Because these hardy species cannot only survive temperatures close to 40 below zero, because the Antarctica's temperature is less than 40 below zero. That's why owl cannot be able to survive like in this temperature. It can sit in that freezed air while incubating eggs. Whenever the owl is giving eggs, he always sit in a freezed air, so keeping them a toasty 37 degrees C. Hence, the temperature of Antarctica is not favorable for owls. That's why the temperature of Antarctica is not good for owls to live in. That's why, therefore, there are over 130 species or kinds of owls are there. But except Antarctica, owls can stay any other each and every continent, but it cannot be able to survive on the Antarctica because of its temperature. That's why owl cannot be found in Antarctica. Now come to question number 8. Question number 8. How many wings does a hen have? How many wings does a hen have? Can you guess? It's a very easy. I repeat the question. How many wings does a hen have? A hen have 2 wings. A hen have 2 wings. Okay. A hen have 2 wings. Now next question, that is question number 9. What is the heaviest bird of prey in the world? What is the heaviest bird of prey in the world? Okay. What is the heaviest bird of prey in the world? Anyone? Okay. What is the heaviest bird of prey in the world? See here. That is Andean condor. That is Andean condor. The Andean condor is the heaviest bird of prey in the world. I repeat the spelling. Andean, Andean, Condor. Condor. Okay. See here, ANDEAN and in CONDOR, condor, and in condor is the heaviest bird of prey in the world. So got it to this much, all of you? Now come to the last question, that is, what is a male duck called? What is a male duck called? A male duck is called drake. A male duck is called drake. Spelling is DRAKE, drake. DRAKE, drake. You know, have you seen the duck? But there is a male and female. Two varieties of ducks are there. Okay, but the male duck is called a drake. The male duck is called a drake. DRAKE, drake. Okay, DRAKE, drake. So by this we have completed all the quiz questions. If you want, I will repeat again once more each and every. Please listen to me carefully, and in PDF I will send all these questions as a home assignment, and you have to solve it. Okay, see here, first question is, which is the largest bird in the world? That is what? Ostrich. OSTRICH, ostrich. Second one, where is the kiwi bird found? Kiwi bird is found in New Zealand. NEWZEALAND, New Zealand. Third one, what is the national bird of India called? The national bird of India is called peacock. PEACOCK, peacock. Fourth, which is the only bird that can fly backwards? Hummingbird is the only bird that can fly backwards. Spelling HUMMING, humming, BIRD, bird. Now come to the fifth one, that is, name the bird that migrates from the North Pole to the South Pole and back. That is Arctic tern. ARCTIC, Arctic tern. Then next, sixth one, owl can be found on every continent except one. Which one? That is Antarctica. ANTARCTICA, Antarctica. How many wings does a hen have? A hen have 2 wings. What is the heaviest bird of prey in the world? And in condor is the heaviest bird of prey in the world. What is a male duck called? A male duck is called drake. DRAKE, drake. A male duck is called drake. Okay, so by this we have completed today the topic birds. So do the assignments in the prescribed copy, that is your fair copy. Write it in your fair copy. Complete it in good, neat and clean handwriting. Okay, and please stay at home. Don't go outside your home. Safe. Wear a mask also. Save yourself with coronas, and take care of yourself. Concentrate on your studies. Okay, then bye. See you. We will meet in the next video.